say I farted.
No, it was just your phone.
I don't have my phone.
Can I see?
You want to see?
I don't want to prank you.
No, I don't have my phone. I farted. I farted. Actually, I don't. You can check. I don't have it. Actually, I don't know where my phone is. I wanted it. Why? It's funny because you think it's the phone, and I actually farted. I actually.
That was it.
Meanwhile,
Estrella, I'll pay you back. What? I see.
I farted a lot. What? Oh man!
Let's prank Estrella, pay back. She's sleeping. Pay back.
Oh my god.
Pay back.
Gosh. Why would you do that?
Pay back.
I'm gonna go back to bed, dry myself. Just stop the video. Guys, I know she's gonna prank me again, so I'm gonna leave my hand out, and whatever she puts on my hand, I'm gonna put it on her face and slap it. Okay, so I meant to hit her. Let me explain. So I meant to not hit, but I meant to put it on her forehead like this. And in slow motion, it looks like I hit her hard, but I didn't hit you hard, huh?
No.
No, I just put it in your eye.
Yeah.
That's all that made her sad. It's just that I put it in her eye. I didn't slap her or do anything bad to her. We're still good, and that's all I want to tell you. She's okay. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day. So I was doing the thumbnail of me and Layla, and I just stepped on caca. Wow, this is what I get. It's not funny.